Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving deep into Bendable, this really cool platform that's kind of like if Pinterest and affiliate marketing had a baby. So whether you're a creator who just wants to share your favorite stuff, or you're a seller trying to promote your own products, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make this platform work for you.
Here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll get into what Bendable actually is. Then we'll get hands-on with creating and optimizing your very first list. After that, and this is the big one, we're going to tackle affiliate links. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with a simple blueprint for success. Sound good? Let's get into it.
Okay, first things first. What in the world is Bendable, and why are you suddenly hearing about it everywhere? Let's break down what it actually does.
At its heart, Bendable is a tool for creating these beautiful, really easy-to-share lists. Think of it as your own personal space for curating all the stuff you love. But, and this is the real game changer, the money-making part is built right in. You can share things you genuinely recommend, and if Bendable has a partnership with that brand, you can earn a commission without having to sign up for a ton of different affiliate programs. It's all about keeping your recommendations authentic.
And you can make lists for pretty much anything. I mean, the sky's the limit here. A gift guide, your travel plans for Paris, your go-to skincare products. But here's the real gold for all you sellers out there. You can create lists featuring your own products from places like Etsy or Zazzle. That turns Bendable into a brand new and seriously powerful way to promote your business.
All right, let's get practical. Enough talking about what it is. Let's look at how you actually do it. You'll be surprised at how simple it is to get your first list up and running.
It really is this easy. You make a list, give it a snappy title, break it down into sections, and then you just start pasting in URLs. But step 4 is absolutely the most important one. You have to refine that card. That personal note is where you get to say why you love something. That's what builds trust with your audience, you know?
Now, just making a list is only half the battle. If you want people to actually find it, you've got to play the optimization game. This is what separates a list that nobody sees from one that brings in steady traffic.
So you might see that little optimized check mark on some lists and think, okay, cool, but why does that matter? Well, it's not just about getting featured inside the Bendable app. The real prize is way, way bigger than that.
And here it is. This is the aha moment. When your list gets optimized, Bendable actually sends it over to Google to get indexed. What does that mean for you? It means someone could be searching Google for, say, best gifts for a 1-year-old, and bam, they could land directly on your list, even if they've never heard of Bendable before. This is how you tap into a massive new audience.
So how do you get optimized? Well, check out this slide. This is kind of an unofficial secret. The number is 15. Now, Brainable doesn't officially say this, but creators all over the platform have noticed that once a list hits around 15 items, it tends to get that optimized checkmark a whole lot faster. It just signals that it's a really solid, helpful list. So, here are your 4 keys. First, write better titles. Don't just say, my favorite books. Try something like, books that will absolutely change your life. See the difference? Second, shoot for that magic number, 15 items. Third, write good notes. One user said their list got optimized just by changing a note from cute strawberries to these would be adorable in a dollhouse kitchen. That little bit of detail makes all the difference. And finally, use sections. It just makes your list easier to read, and it can be that final push you need to get the check mark.
Okay, let's get to the most important section of this whole guide, especially for sellers. We have to talk about the auto affiliate toggle. It's just a tiny little button, but trust me, it has huge implications for your wallet.
All right, pay close attention here. By default, this little toggle is on. That means Bendable uses its own affiliate link. So if a sale happens, Bendable gets the full commission, let's say 15% from a brand, and then they pay you a small piece of that, like maybe 6%, which is totally fine for stuff where you don't have an affiliate account. But, and this is a huge but, when you turn the toggle off, you get to put in your own affiliate link. And that means you get the full 15% commission, straight from the brand. So the bottom line is, for your own Zazzle products or anything you're an Amazon associate for, you have to switch this toggle off. It's the only way to get your full commission.
And hey, don't just take it from me. Here's a quote from a user on the Zazzle forums who actually tested this stuff out. They point out something really sneaky. Even when you paste your own link, if that toggle is on, Bendable swaps it behind the scenes. So you've got to be super careful and double check that the toggle is off for any link where you should be earning the full commission.
So, we've gone over what Bendable is, how to build a list, how to get it seen by more people, and most importantly, how to make sure you're getting paid correctly. Let's put it all together into one final, super clear action plan.
Okay, here's your blueprint. Step 1, make your first list. Give it a great title and get at least 15 items on there. Step 2, optimize it with really detailed, personal notes and break it into sections. Step 3, the big one. For any links to your own products on Zazzle, Etsy, whatever, you immediately turn that auto-affiliate toggle off and paste in your own affiliate link. For everything else, you can just leave it on and let Benable do the work. It's the perfect hybrid strategy.
And there you have it. That's your ultimate guide to Benable. It's a seriously powerful tool, both for sharing things you love and for driving sales, as long as you know the right buttons to push. So I guess the only question left is, what hidden gems are you going to share first?